A couple of weeks ago, my friend Jordan and I had an epic hacky sack session filled with satisfaction, frustration, laughs, improvement, and most of all, a whole lot of fun. And times like these remind me of how powerful kicking a bag around with a friend or several friends can be. So in this edition of the Daily Hack, I'll be sharing a few simple guidelines to having an absolute blast while playing hacky sack with your friends. This is an incredible way to ditch the screens and connect with your buddies in an active and engaging way. If you're new to the channel, I encourage you to subscribe so you can level up your physical confidence and freedom. And if you're new to the hacky sack, check out the Daily Hack series, which includes a bunch of creative ways to play and train with the hacky sack. So you've got a hacky sack and at least one friend. Now what? Let's start off with some simple guidelines. Number 1, keep the bag in the air using your feet, chest, knees, and shoulders, but not the hands. Unless you want to, check out Daily Hack episode 1 for more on this. Number 2, the obvious goal is to get as many kicks in before the hacky sack touches the ground.
Oh, it's right there.
Number 3, no self-serves. Toss the bag to another player to start each round. Number 4, communicate. I go, you go, coming back to you. Talk with each other to get in sync.
Oh, I should have went for it.
Number 5, no sorries.
Oh, dude, no, you're good. I was totally in your territory. No sorry.
You'll totally end up dropping an S-bomb in the heat of the moment, but try not to get hung up on your last mistake. Pick up the bag and keep playing. And lastly, number 6, breathe, relax, laugh, and have fun.
Calm down. I'm sorry, dude. No, you're good.
You focus on those guidelines and you're going to have a good time, even if you and your friends aren't that good. Which leads me to the next point, play for at least 15 minutes. You may be terrible in the beginning, but after a few minutes, the hacky sack draws you into a state of flow. The hack demands a great deal of concentration that allows you to be fully engaged and present with a very simple goal: keep the hacky sack off the ground. This is an amazing way to train focus and attention span while also dealing with failure in a very healthy manner. At least most of the time.
That was great, though. You nailed it. It could have gone forever.
I've had some amazing experiences of dropping into this flow with friends, and what's crazy is we've gotten more energized, more focused, and continue to play at higher and higher levels. This is all to say, simply give yourself a few minutes to drop into that state. Now on to the physical benefits. Playing hacky sack is a serious physical challenge. Don't take it too seriously though. Balance, mobility, agility, coordination, reaction, problem solving, creativity, it's got it all. By simply playing, you'll be moving in ways and ranges that you may have never experienced before. And when you drop into that state of flow, it becomes a full-on cardio workout. When playing with friends, you'll be presented with unpredictable scenarios that will force you to be responsive and creative. And in this process, you'll unlock new skills and abilities. Incredible physical practice, no gym required, just a hacky sack. Last thing I want to highlight, these social and communal benefits of kicking the bag around are insane. The successes, the failures, the laughs, the conversations before and after each hack, the exchange of knowledge and experience and different interests. It's just epic, and my hope with this video is to inspire you to get out there and kick a hacky sack around with your friends. That's all I've got for you in this video. If you want to learn how to hacky sack or get better with the hacky sack, snag the Hacky Sack for Life program. This includes all the kicks, drills, stretches, and combos that you need to master the basics. Thanks for watching. If this video inspired you to kick a hacky sack around, like it, leave us a comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Stay smooth.
Go back. I got it.